Yeah, head on to that, mate. The king is sending a video. Look at it. Look at that. Yeah, watching the car like a real man. I can tell you. I can tell you that. That's maybe the most important part of it. Okay? But look at it. That's also important too. That a beautiful baby fish, maybe. Maybe baby fish and they not a mythologist. Yes. Yes, a beautiful little babies. Look at him. Look at him. I like them. I like to say to you, you're so beautiful. You're so beautiful to me. You need protection. You need protection. Okay? Look at him. He's gonna grow up into a big beautiful fish. Big beautiful fish, I can tell you. I can tell you that only make me feel good inside. I like to feel that way. Okay? But I got nothing but stinker stories, mate. I can't get my hands on brass. Oh, look at it. Look at it. It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful, yes. Yes. Oh, that's majestic to me. That's a majestic herd of babies. Yes, a herd of babies down there. I can tell you grown big and strong that way. Yeah, that's an Australian blizzard. That's a baby fish blizzard, I can tell you. Yes, a baby fish as far as I can see that way. I can tell you. I can tell you the little babies. Little babies, yes. Hello, little babies. Yeah, we're going to protect you. We're going to protect you, okay? You need to grow big and strong that way. Oh, look at you. Look at your little beauties. Yes. Yes, he getting them ready for snuggle, man. They got to get them ready. They got to get naturally accustomed to him, okay? They get a little bit of frothy. I get a little bit of frothy and little baby fish that way. I can tell you. I can tell you even in the fish blizzard, yes. Yes, at the baby fish blizzard, I can tell you. Okay? That common and relaxing. Okay? I should tell you more of that sort of thing, but not me. I got the stinker stories to get through. I can tell you. I can tell you. And they're not the stinkers not exactly sitting on gold mines. I can tell you they seem to entertain like a Monica mate, but not me. Not me that way. Look at it. I like a little baby fish that way. Yes, look at you. I at the home of the fish too. Yes. Yes, observe and report that way. I can say that. I can say that important. Important that way, yes. Yes, got tomorrow. I don't know what it's called, mate, but it's like what is expected? What is expected of such behavior? I can say that. I can say that. Okay, but I'm on the Goonie. I'm on the Goonie what if for brass, so I can't explain it quite frankly. Look at it. It's just majestical to me. It's beautiful. Hey, look at that. Look at that more beauty. Yes. Yes, calming and relaxing for us. I can say that. I can speak that way. Yeah, I could say any number of calming and soothing and relaxing things, man. But at the end of the day, who's done that for me? Nobody's soothing all the bush tick me. I can tell you. I can tell you. Okay? Only upset me too, because I got the feelings. I got the feelings. Okay? Look at it. That's beautiful to me. I can feel the beauty. I can feel it swirling. You can maybe feel that too. I can tell you. We're team you and me, okay? But as soon as you give up, mate, you're not on my team. You're not on that. You're not deceiving me. I could say that. Okay? Yeah, you didn't even start deceiving me. When does it start, man? When does deceiving start? Because it's not starting. It hasn't started. Okay? And you call yourself a team member. You call yourself a team member to me. Okay? This is, no, it's not right. It's not right. But what in life is, mate? I still haven't heard from Bruce. Okay? I can only assume he's against me, mate. Okay? What else you want me to think? I can't think any other way but that. Okay? He's not with me. He's not with me like you. I can say that. Oh, look at that. Yes, another fish blizzard. Another baby fish blizzard, I can see that. It's beautiful. Yes. Yes, that's soothing and relaxing for me, I can say that. A little beauties. A little beauties down there. Yes, a frolicking. Frolicking little beauties. Yes, a blizzard. A blizzard like a snowstorm of little wiggly little babies. Look at them. Look at them wiggling. Yes, wiggle my little friends. Hello, look at you. Look at you. Yes, we can see you. We can see your beauty down there. Okay? We got to save you. I can say that. We're like a little baby fish farmer that way. Hello down there. Yes. Yes, I thought like a hurricane. Like a tornado of little baby fish. Yes, a blizzard that way, blistering blizzard of little babies. I can say it to you. Okay? Look at it. Look at that, they make me feel good inside. I can tell you. I can tell you about my feelings. Yes. It's a wonderful, I can say that. Okay? But you gotta tell me. You gotta tell me these things. You're not on my team. I need to know it. I need to know it. Okay, bros? You bros need to know too. This is probably against me, mate. I can't be sure either way, mate.